testing smart TVs for a while now. And every time I set up a new one, there are a few apps I install immediately. Not the obvious ones like YouTube or Netflix, stuff that most people just don't know about. And honestly, some of these made me think, why did nobody tell me this existed? So today, let me share all of them with you. Hi, I am Pooja from ClearBuy. I test TVs and home appliances in real homes, real daily usage. If you find this useful, do subscribe. I keep sharing things like this that actually help. Okay, so let me start with something that's not even an app you need to install. It's already on your TV. If you have a Samsung TV, go to your app list and look for Samsung TV Plus. Most people just scroll past it. But when you open it, it's got over 150 free live channels. Hindi news, English movies, music channels, kid cartoons, cooking shows across like 14 Indian languages. No subscription, no login, nothing. It's just sitting there. And it's not just Samsung. If you have a Google TV, there is a live tab on your home screen with free channels built right in. Xiaomi TVs have Xiaomi TV Plus with over 200 channels. The point is, you probably already have free live TV on your television and you have never tapped on it. Just go check seriously. This one's so simple but so satisfying. That Netflix button on your remote, you know the one. The one you never press on purpose but always hit by accident. Or maybe there is a Prime Video button that just sits there. Button Mapper. Free on the Play Store, it lets you remap any button on your remote to open whatever app you actually use. Want the Netflix button to open Hotstar? Done. Geo Cinema? Done. You can even set a double press for one app and a long press for another. So one button suddenly becomes 3 buttons. It uses your TV's accessibility settings, works on most Android TVs and Google TVs. And once you set it up, honestly, it just makes your remote feel like it was actually designed for you. Now let me get into some actually practical stuff. You ever have a movie or a video on your phone that you just want to play on your TV? No cables, no pendrive drama. LocalSend. Free app, open source, no ads, no account. You install it on your phone and on your TV, both. Both connected to the same Wi-Fi. And then you just send files. Movies, photos, music, anything. It goes directly from your phone to your TV. No cloud, no internet upload. Just local transfer. Fast, simple, done. I use this constantly. And once you have got files on your TV or a USB drive, you need something to play them. Most built-in TV players are honestly pretty limited. They'll randomly say format not supported and there's nothing you can do. So, VLC. Same VLC you probably use on your computer. It's on the Play Store for Android TV. It plays everything. MKV, AVI, MP4, subtitles, HDR, whatever you throw at it. Just install it once and you'll never deal with format issues again. Alright, this last one is about fixing annoyances. The kind of things that quietly bother you every day but you just accept them. Your TV came with a bunch of apps you don't ask for, right? Manufacturer apps, random services, stuff that takes up storage and you can't uninstall normally. You can disable them, sure, but they are still sitting there eating up space. There is an app called ADB TV. It lets you actually remove those apps, like properly delete them. No PC needed. You just open it, see the full list of installed apps, including the hidden ones, and remove whatever you don't need. Your TV gets more storage, runs a little smoother. Just be careful. Only remove stuff you're sure you don't need. Don't touch anything that looks like a system process. So yeah, those are the apps I install on every TV I set up. Free channels you already have. Pluto TV, Aerial Dream, LocalSend, VLC, ADB TV and Button Mapper. None of them cost anything. All of them are on the Play Store or already built in your TV. And every single one makes the experience noticeably better. All download links are in the description below. Just tap and install. If this was useful, subscribing genuinely helps ClearBuy keep going. And tell me in the comments, do you know any app I should try? I'm always looking for new stuff. Until next time, don't just buy. ClearBuy. See you soon.